In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change portal colors in Freshdesk. By the end, you'll know exactly how to align your support portal with your brand colors, keep things readable, and publish your changes confidently. First, make sure you're logged in with administrator permissions. From the left navigation, head to Admin, then Open Channels, and select Portals. This is where all your Help Center portals live, so if you manage multiple brands or environments, double-check you're in the right one. Click the Edit icon next to the portal you want to customize. Across the top, switch to the Appearance tab. This is your control center for the look and feel of the portal. You'll see your themes listed here. If the theme you're using is currently live, choose Clone and Edit Theme. Cloning protects the experience your customers see while you work on updates in the background. If you're working on a non-live theme, you can select Edit Theme and proceed directly. Next, open the Customize Portal tab. Here you'll find color palettes grouped by purpose so you can make precise, consistent changes. Start with the primary color. This controls high-impact elements like headers, buttons, and navigational items. It's a great place to apply your brand's core color. Then move to body elements. These settings cover the main body background, standard link colors, and hover states. Pay attention to link hover styles so users know where they are interacting. Finally, adjust the header and footer elements, including background and text colors for both areas. Aim for strong contrast here so your logo and menu items remain easy to read. To apply your colors, use the built-in color picker for quick visual adjustments, or enter exact hex codes for perfect brand matching. If you have a style guide, bring those hex codes in to keep everything consistent across your product and marketing sites. As you work, keep an eye on readability. Dark text on a light background or light text on a dark background generally ensures better accessibility. The preview pane on the right updates as you go, so check buttons, links, and headers in context. If something feels too subtle or too bold, nudge the shade until it feels balanced. When you're satisfied with how everything looks in the preview, click Save and Publish to make your changes live. That's it, your portal will now reflect your updated color choices. You can always return to these settings to refine the look as your brand evolves.